my little cosmetics. I just have a tiny question. Can I be known as the South Park Ren? You know, like how Sunday is known as Rarity from MLP? Please. Like, South Park is literally my favorite show. And if I can be known as the South Park Red, I'll make you all Mysterio Oleans probably. I know I'm underage, but please. But your message of the day is, someone wants you in their presence. Say bye, guys. Bye. Bye. By my little cosmetics.